Very good morning, friends. This is Suman Kumar. Today, I would like to demonstrate the results of my Project R1 of CS6320, a simple photo site applications developed using Ruby on Rails. Uh, if we go through the requirements of this project, we are supposed to create an application with two URLs with user slash index, which lists the list of 6 users along with their names, and each username is supposed to be a hyperlink. When clicked, takes it to their photos along with their comments. This exercise extensively emphasizes the use of SQLite database as well as the concept of model view controller. Let me start with showing the output of my project. So as you can see, Ruby on Rails is running with port number 3000 under user index. This is the result of the 6 usernames that were found in the SQLite database. It's called Justin Bieber, Paris Hilton. This is the main user site. You can actually see the SQLite database output here in users column. Can you see Justin Bieber, Paris Hilton, and the same names appear on the user interface. If you click on any of the username, let's say Barack Obama, it is taking you to the photo page of Barack Obama under the URL photo slash index slash 4, which was one other requirement of the project, where you can see photo slash index slash ID. You can see photo slash index slash ID number being 4 in this project. Similarly, you can also see photo index 1. You can modify and see photo index 2, right? You can also modify and see photo index 5, right? The other requirement was to also show comments, which you can see localhost comment slash index slash 7. If you want to see one more comment, you can go to comment slash index slash 2. If you want to see comment slash index slash 5, for example, and you can see Santa Claus. You can observe the URL, it's photo slash index slash 5. This is user slash index. Everything is running on Ruby on Rails on the local application. Let's see how this is actually implemented in the code. Once you create the PhotoSite application, we follow the instructions provided in the uh, link here. We first create the controllers and database, and we also run the migration using load data. You can see all those steps in the project here. So this is comment controller, photo controller, user controller. Everything was generated using tools, run Rails generator. You select the controller, click on the controller, you give the name of the controller, and it is created. Similarly, models are also created the same way. Comment, photo. You go back to the um, link. You can see how to actually create the model. Right, this link specifies how to create the model. I've used the learnings from this link to create the models. And as with our exercise 2, the index.html for photo and user, which is a requirement of the project. Finally, the most important thing, configuring the routes.rb, similar to our second example, user slash index, photo slash index id, comment slash index id, which is again a requirement from our project. You can see the output says the output should be user slash index. Yeah, that is what it is. And the DB migration part, if you see, you will run rake task. You can see DB migrate, which is being performed, to generate each of the migration entries. Most importantly, the database SQLite database window is got from view, tools window, database. You can see here it was empty in the beginning. You click on import. You would have a import button. When you click on the import button, you get the options. For example, what's going on? Yeah, you can see import from sources. Select the SQLite serial. Here I have selected the latest SQLite serial from my path, that is RubyMine, and click on apply. You will get the database which you have created in the first place. You can see the comments table. You can see the output, which is similar to what is expected as per the link, learning new programming languages. And as we saw, the users, the list of 6 users, and you can see the output of my project, the list of 6 users, each have been hyperlinked. For example, when I click 4, it takes back to this. When I click back, it comes back. This is more or less the steps which is being followed. Finally, the configurations have been edited and run development PhotoSite, and this is how the output looks like. You can see this is the database console. You can actually see the output. Okay. This entire project is also documented. This is the documentation results of my project. So, documentation of results. The purpose is to create a simple PhotoSite application and demonstrate model view controller. The corresponding index screenshots have also been shared. As you can see, this is the first list with 6 users and the output. And yeah, I could see the output without any issues. Biggest challenge have been learning the configuration of routes.rb, load data, and retrieving the data from SQLite database, applying the concept of model view controller successfully. When I talk about model view controller, important thing is the index.html where we created from our first exercise, and that is the view part, if you can see under view part, and it has worked successfully. All the requirements for this project have been met. If you look at the output, user slash index, we have seen user slash index, and we have also seen photo slash index dot id, photo slash index slash id. We have also seen the comment. So everything is working as expected for this project. There are no issues, and it has been a valuable learning. That's all I wanted to share today. Thank you.